I will now show you how to use the Wi-Fi module for our Gobel batteries. The code corresponding to the Wi-Fi module will be found here. We screw the Wi-Fi module's antenna in a clockwise direction. Align the module's interface, plug it in, and twist the module clockwise to tighten it. Open the Gobel VRM app, tap More. Select Smart Link, choose your audience GHZ Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. Then, briefly press the round configuration button on top of the module. Hold for about 8 seconds. The module's indicator light should start flashing rapidly, indicating it is ready for configuration. Tap the button in the app to begin connecting. Connection successful. Return to the More installation page in the app and tap Add Device. Click to scan the QR code and add. Scan the QR codes for the device at the Add Device tab found on the label on the side of the Wi-Fi communication module. Then tap to add it. Click the dashboard. Locate the connected Wi-Fi module and tap it to view the battery data. Data such as voltage, current, and temperature can be viewed for every battery unit and individual cell.